Another day, another match day. I didn't even understand what was happening.
Yeah.
Last week, we were celebrating Sundowns.
Yeah.
We celebrated Orlando Pirates. Today it's Kaizer Chiefs. What's happening? We can't even hate watching peace.
We can't.
We can't hate watching peace.
We can't.
But guys, before we start, welcome to another episode of Matchday Anime. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. Another episode with the boy here, Freeman.
The big two.
Slow that side. Tawang on the far left.
Away.
We go for another episode.
Yeah, wait, speaking of the game, obviously Sundowns lost. Pirates lost.
Yeah.
And Kaizer Chiefs lost now again against Stellenbosch. Now, obviously, we're going to the big game.
Yeah, the big game.
Obviously, we know what the big game is. Biggest game in the continent.
And so even the TV is also doing a countdown. Like,
what they doing? Do you think what they're doing is fair though?
But
I feel like it's not fair.
Bro, it's all about the sponsors.
Mara, I know it's all about it, but how will the game grow if we're just focusing on these two teams, like, they get most attention? Because, boy, I was driving through Josie the other day, and I saw a billboard advertising the game, like, on Saturday.
It's a marketing game.
Pirates. But it was my first time seeing a PSL game being advertised on that board. And I'm like, how will the game grow if we know that? Boy, Pirates was playing against Sundowns.
It
was not advertised. But
I think, boy, it's the demand.
It's the rival and
It's the demand. It's hard for what do they call those guys? The seller to provide goods that people are not in demand of.
Remember,
that people is not in demand.
And remember, these two teams, even if Sundowns is dominant, there are only two teams that are known in Mzansi, like, throughout the world. If you go anywhere, they will tell you Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates.
But I feel like we can do a better job in marketing.
We can.
You know, I agree with you, but at the same time, we understand why.
Yeah.
It's
always derby is always interesting.
But okay, James, let's not. We are not the marketing team here. Our job is to enjoy the football. Let's go to the game.
I just wanted
let's go to the game. James. What do you think?
Mina into engafuna ukuthi siqale ngayo. I would like ukuthi to name which squad would you say ukuthi if I'm going to beat a Pirates, like,
okay. Let me be quick about it, actually. Let me not waste anyone's time, right? Hopefully Ox is back. I saw that he's back to practice.
He has to be.
Obviously, Inchebe at the back. Inchebe, Munyane, Kwinika, Miguel, unfortunately, because, again, McCarthy, guys, he's pretty much shaky.
He's
pretty much shaky. Solomon's left back. Or Munyane Solomon's switch.
Because Nafa Marco and Saint
Marco, we appreciate the efforts, but I'm not counting because I think he's injured for like the rest of the season.
Today.
Was it the bench today? Cross.
But you can't start him.
You can't start him. So Solomon's right.
Yeah.
And then mid. Ox, Mabue, Chislet. What I saw from Chislet. He's trying to prove a point. He's playing good forward.
I heard he's a free kick specialist.
Besides the free kicks, like, his type of play was Begaya Pam.
But I saw that shot. Positive. Then I was like,
he's positive, right? And then
actually, that's a pretty good midfield.
Ox, Chislet. Something can happen. Something can happen. Silva, there's no contender. He's doing a very nice job. He's actually fighting for the team. I appreciate Lilepo on this side, Mfundo on this side.
That's a good team. I won't lie. That's a very good team.
That's what
you agree.
That's a good
team in again.
Yeah.
Pirates. So Emuva is obviously there is no other better.
But before you can put Velebai and put Lilepo
on the other side,
and put Mfundo second half or
something.
It's
reasonable. It's reasonable.
So Pirates starting 11 for me now, that would beat Chiefs in a guy chance. Okay, in Kamamang, it has never been like that. So derby is always close.
Yeah,
It's always
no.
close.
Form doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Even if Chiefs number 8, Pirates number 1,
Yeah.
Pirates number 8 or Chiefs number 1, it doesn't matter. It's always 1-0 score. So squad sami obviously faka lo chain lapha emuva. Then ama center back wami ayi2. Usibisa angimfuna eground. Ngiphila ngisho, ngisasho namanje angimfuni. So zoba ngusema Chabatsana. Usesane bengamfaka mara ngimthembi because uya ku-injury. You can't just put him good up. Then right back yami, I would like to put right back ish angazi between Maria Van Rooyen doesn't have a bad game against Chiefs. For Van Rooyen this side, ngifake uHoto this side. I can't put Ndaba still mncane. Hoto this side. Then a center Makaule. Then ngithi Mbatha, hopefully uzobe khona. Ufuna Mbatha, then ngithi Tito phambili. So bazohlala kanje. Tito abe 1 phambili. Then Coach Wadu, please, lama player ngifuna awafake the way esibazi ngakhona from ukudala. Ngiyazi bafikile benza nama team amancane but we failed against Sundowns. So a policy abe ku winger, angabe ku 10 winger a policy. Mfukeng winger,
Striker.
then striker ish Mahopa akekho. Hopefully abe khona kodwa umbuthuma ngimfuni. Mahopa phambili.
If injured.
If akekho then we have no choice. Mbuthuma.
No to Tijong.
Now Tijong is not a striker. He's a second striker. I don't need a second striker.
Guys.
But he can play.
He can play,
Okay.
but I'm feeling like ku Stelis beka Stelis kanje. Yeah. Ku Stelis bekadlala not cause Stelis idlala ama striker i2. That's why it was good.
Yeah. But he can do a job.
He can do
Yeah,
a job.
he can.
True.
He can do it.
I'm not saying
He
it's
can
bad.
job.
Than Mbutu.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's better to have a striker that can create a run than a striker that won't create any runs. Because Utijong, we are drop most of the time. And in order to win a big game, you don't need a striker drop. You need a striker here pambi.
Yeah.
Even if I so get a chance I form Mbutu, we know Uti Amati Ngege are relax.
Today I choose against Steelers. But it's first half Chesley warelease abantu kanje beka spray kanje Chesley. Spraying like this.
Nyazi ukuthi we
Umako,
won.
bonke 1-on-1. Shoot.
Ufuna ukuvala.
Yo, alathi mina ngistressa. Ufuna ukushapa ka 18. Shoot Marco, shoot.
Uma buya shayirana cut up between midfield.
Yo, I'm guy true ball.
Fine.
True ball. Wanokuwa. Wanokuwa.
Yo, itouch yakhe. Ithatha
Away from
Ipalana uyala.
So do you think the crowd here today Stellenbosch against Chiefs? Yeah, Chiefs. The crowd here Chiefs because we know Stellenbosch doesn't have fans.
Yeah.
So but
Yeah.
Especially in
In
Cape Town,
yeah.
they do.
but here they don't.
Yeah.
So do you think the crowd here Kaizer Chiefs was trying to send a message by not being there?
No,
Because
it's
with the
pro.
Chiefs, but with the Chiefs, with the Chiefs and the Pirates, it doesn't matter ultimate image idlala nini. The stadium might not be sold out, but the crowd will definitely
but
be
no.
there.
I think number one in midweek game.
Yeah.
We are pro because we went to go watch match Santos versus Pirates.
Yeah.
Plus also paid 120 for the derby. Plus we need to prepare for the derby as well.
Yeah.
But I also
Plus
know
the
they're not gonna
midweek.
They might not win.
Yeah.
That's the message that I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
It's like,
but
are people tired?
No,
of
it's
noise?
these reasons. They're not yet tired. They should be tired.
But not yet.
Yeah, they should be tired.
Because what
we're seeing is crazy, man.
What Pirates is doing, ne? It's something that Chiefs is not doing.
Which is
How angry we are about the games.
Yeah.
Chiefs is not doing that.
I think Chiefs fans have accepted.
Tina,
we are for a very long
The
time.
reason why we have many fingers that were pointing. I saw this other fan was like, let the coach be. Coach, we have trusted him from the start. We can't be pointing fingers because we not asikwe Jimmy noma Jimana ama player. We're not there when he's doing his selection. I understand the Leon, but at the same time I'm also understanding the frustration. Because now and every fan is always looking for something to play. Because we can't say slew. Then fold your hands
Yeah,
with our
yeah,
sleeve.
yeah.
We're gonna always look for something wisely, and as fans analyze the game differently. So should we because of this, because of that. If now we have favorite players, we're gonna go back to the coach. Why uqale ngeplay
And
kanje?
I'm thinking of our translators. Yo,
Yeah,
I know. Saturday they're gonna pull off some weird formation.
Angithi nina
Yo.
nishanga
Yo.
ama-secret.
Yo.
Nishanga
And I'm sure we play 4-2-2. Since when? Actually, guys, when are these guys leaving? Let's start there. When are the translators leaving?
But
And every fan
and not
is
anytime
talking about
soon,
beats,
boy.
man. Every
Not
fan.
anytime
Those
soon.
guys must vie.
Probably by the end
I'm hopeful if they pull a shocker in the derby, they're gonna vie after the derby.
Are they not, boy?
I feel like the derby is gonna seal their fate.
And for a Pirates to actually win,
They not.
Pirates to win a league. I'm not talking about the derby. The derby so you win. Sorry, but so you win. I'm probably saying Chiefs. So you win a derby. To actually win a league, we need to
The
beat.
confidence is low.
Same thing that hit him against Sundowns. And we
this
won
one,
him.
I won't lighten people.
And we won him.
So to win a derby, to win a league, we need Chiefs to fire the coaches so that they can bring in a better coach and beat Sundowns. That's what we need.
But again, bro,
That's what,
the week that we just passed in was actually an interesting
week. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
nice. It was nice.
Like you said, we saw what happened like today with Stellenbosch, Kaizer Chiefs against Stellenbosch. We saw what happened over the weekend with Sundowns against Pirates also.
What happened? You're not telling us anything. What happened?
Like they lost, bro. They Pirates lost to a second division team.
Useless. We're starting from Ilina Piakona. Which team have you ever seen Idlala about 10 by 3?
No, but guys, are you blaming the lineup?
Yeah.
But no, let's look at it from a different perspective, right?
Yeah.
The Pirates, they're a professional football club.
Yeah.
Everyone.
The best, yes, everyone there they're professionals, right?
Yeah.
One of the best clubs in the PSL, the biggest clubs in South Africa, arguably Africa.
And one thing to add is everyone who plays at Sundowns at Pirates deserves to be there.
Yes.
Which means they are good enough.
They are good enough to be there.
Okay,
You know the quality of those.
Now tell me this.
Yeah.
You put De Jong.
He must know. Wait.
Yeah.
I want to get to the point. Everyone plays there, they play world class football, right? You're telling me that just because the coach changed up things here and there, you are failing to beat Kaizer Stars?
Yeah, you remember, underdogs have always been a problem in that.
True.
Yeah, they've always we have about Tondolo, we have Conalea Shy Chiefs,
Milford.
Like Ikasrik and I think once won in Nedbank Cup.
But it's
I
not
think.
just in Zambia.
We came with Ichakuma now, and the same thing. In TS Galaxy now, and the same thing.
No, but no. I mean, I'm talking in terms of you guys are blaming the tactics
yeah, I
of the
mean,
coach.
okay, I'm gonna blame Lineup. You know why? If you're gonna put Tito, you put De Jong, you put Mfukeng, then you put Apolis. Ne? Apolis Beacon. I don't remember. I think Beacon. All these people, Ubafage instruction yako, I don't know instruction yake or is how they play. But for the past 5 or 6 games, these guys have been playing the same position. Like they've been playing with 10.
Yeah.
If you put Tito there, De Jong there, Apolis there, Mfukeng there,
Police is
Bonke,
playing as a 10.
but he's always there.
Yeah.
So now we need a creative midfielder. Tito is creative, ne? But he also focuses on runs and deceiving players. Like Amat defenders is always pulling defenders. So now if you're gonna get Tito pulling defenders, you're gonna get De Jong pulling defenders, you're gonna get Mfukeng pulling defenders, Apolis pulling defenders. Who's gonna pass them?
But check. Mfukeng's role is not really pulling defenders. Okay.
Is to play.
Yeah.
But also De Jong wants the
plan?
ball.
The plan, what if was Tito to pull defenders with the runs he's making? Then obviously the space
Then
is
who's
now
gonna attack the space?
Mfukeng. That's when Mfukeng comes
Guys,
in.
But
you
now,
usually
the issue was the striker.
You should realize that you are talking about Kaizer Stars. I'm not taking anything away from
Yeah.
them. Just like I saw Eric Tinkler. It was like Kukune should punish 10-0. What was Kukune playing against? was also playing thing, I guess, a third division team. It was like a big team. If they're playing against third division, you must punish them. Must give them chance because they won 1-0.
Oh.
Then the coach like, no, but you must give us credit.
Yeah.
So I'm not discrediting Kazakhstan, right? But
He said Teddy.
but look, sorry, but you cannot be blaming that loss on the coach.
Yeah.
Those guys themselves, in fact, you tell me right now, those guys, if they say
they could have done
Ambano
something.
Dad,
Yeah,
go
they
and
could
play.
have done something.
Are you gonna fail?
And also, did you see the quality of the penalties that you missed, guys? Like, yo.
My penalties, I'm not gonna even
Mariso,
talk about
who's
that.
who's that guy?
Chabachani.
Nondaba.
Oh, le quite know if I say that.
So and Uchabatsan is good with passing. Ukuthi why dedele into like you never understand. You never understand. So any into that makes ama teams amancane to be always underdogs. I think it's cause we as big teams we can't plan against them.
Yeah, sure.
Because there you go with the mentality of they are small. You're gonna beat
and
them.
You're
gonna say, I'm gonna contain the ball, none. But I was good. Okay, Pirates is playing. They're gonna contain the ball.
No block.
So plan is everyone behind the ball. We make sure we give them a draw. But I don't think that team plan to win. And it's like. You're a small team.
I think
you're small.
They beat those guys before. It's not the first time.
The history. With it.
So they know it's possible.
They know it's possible.
Yeah.
They know they can do it.
So
they've done it before. They've done it before. And they did it again. What's stopping us now?
So I feel like Bazengalo mentality, okay, Pirates is playing good. They are good with the ball. Let's try to play a counter. Because Kona La Papa, Umremi Kona, Shy Kona,
slow. Now we're being unfair to them because playing a counter, that's the only chance of winning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Those guys, they won.
They won.
And also, small teams will always be a big threat. Like we saw with Real Madrid when they lost to Albacete. Like it happens everywhere.
Yeah.
It happens everywhere.
So I think that loss, besides the Sundowns, it wasn't really like but I senzanga sa question a play. Only striker.
The quality of the players was questioned in that game.
It was questioning.
Those guys are not ready. For whatever it is that them play.
But it's Sundowns. It's something that we low key expected.
No.
Basically, I confidence. Okay, I can't deny. I had the confidence to shy Sundowns. And you saw with the first 30 minutes, everything was good. It only took one pass. One pass that changed everything. One pass.
True.
So Leontole is separated the quality and the mentality of Sundowns players and Pirates players. Now you saw the difference in spending more money, investing more money into quality players. But because I feel like we might be complaining. People might be complaining about Chiefs, saying Chiefs I want to spend the money, I want to 10. If you look at it, Pirates also doesn't spend.
It does,
it doesn't spend on local.
But still they do spend. If you can check, if you can look at it.
But it's not big amount compared to Sundowns.
No, but Sundowns spends like on 1%.
Yeah, Sundowns it's investment, but
1% per season. Pirates buy 8.
Yeah, look at that 8. Look at useless players.
8.
Useless players. Look at Umsendam.
8.
When as a scout, we should buy like Umsendam like. We are looking for a goal. We are looking for a goal. You know, there's a difference in Kingham. Kona a difference when you are playing for a club and when you are playing for a national team. So you get a player that's playing overseas. Let's say, for an example, Prime Diaz playing for Real Madrid. What is he doing in Real Madrid? It's nothing. He's doing bad. AFCON. Because now.
You know what he was asking. I knew what he was asking. But it's like, you know what? Let me respect Mr. Bella. Shai Ibrahim.
This guy. Okay, back to the point. This guy. So this guy named it difference when you get to a national team, you get the people that will admire you. Oh, are you playing for Real Madrid? You playing for what? They're gonna put you up there. They're gonna always back you up. Now you at Pirates now. You are playing with people who are at a higher level. The confidence day by day. then siyakunida for a goal. That's where you're supposed to show up and be like, I can compete with these people. Fika umsendamo sha udlala irugby ukhabela
But
ibhola
guy,
uyawa.
I feel like Pirates has a scapegoat mentality, man.
Why do you think that?
Remember, Usto is crying about Sendam, right?
Yeah.
But that guy got in like say 10
But
minutes,
what is he
5
doing?
minutes.
No, exactly.
But
That's
still,
when we need
but
you.
first, let's look at the
That
players
game
that
should have
played.
won, yeah.
Let's look at the players that played that
Yeah.
82 minutes.
Yeah.
Before Sendam entered for that 8 minutes, for that 10
Should have
minutes,
been-
what about the players that were there for the 82
Yeah.
minutes?
Mfukeng- Yeah.
Ghost,
I was gonna-
Makaula, Ghost.
Okay, let's come
And
back.
also-
Umakaula, for me, the people that fought, imagine, Pirates players, it was Makaula. It was Utito. Utito, even though I missed my chance. Makaula, Tito, Usiema was average, no Hoto. Uhoto, these people were the only people that fought.
No one played in that Pirates
Then
game.
Umfukeng behamakiwe, no plan. Ucoach naye is supposed to protect players. You can see ukuthi Umfukeng is not doing well. You can see ukuthi Apolisi is not doing well. And Apolisi is not doing well not because of Bamakile. He's playing a wrong position.
But
The role
slow.
yakhe is wrong.
Remember, it's the very same position. Earlier in the season,
Yeah.
you were telling us that no, our police can play. Mfukeng
Both
can also
sides.
play. Yeah, I remember
Yeah.
we had this argument
Yeah,
before.
okay.
And then I did say that.
Okay.
What you're saying?
Yeah, wonke ama-player, every player has their games, ne? Khona amanye ama-game you can see ukuthi no man, this game, iposition yami, I'm not doing well here. Let me switch. Sinokuyenze kahle that thing. Ukuthi
But
okay,
slow.
we know ukuthi okay, this player is the best. Adlale nomuntu omakhaya.
Yeah.
We know ukuthi wena you can't shut down, we can't take you out. We move you from where you are to another
side.
position.
But
But did you see
slow.
a police move?
Slow.
Did you see
But slow,
police
you are
didn't
making,
move?
but you are making excuses for police.
I'm
For
not-
the fact that he has played that position before, he gave Pirates something in that position before.
Yeah.
You are supposed to give Pirates against Sundowns.
So, and
Uhlulekile.
but in
It's
the
not about the
show-
position.
that's the thing. In the
Uhlulekile.
show-
Admit to uhlulekile.
I don't deny ukuthi uhlulekile.
No, Mfukeng, same
But,
thing.
Yeah, Mfukeng
Hlulekile.
na ngivume kudala.
Hlulekile.
Bahlulekile bamakhiwe ne. Futhi
Bahlulekile.
uApolisi akamakhwanga,
Hlulekile.
umuntu omakhiwe ngumfukeng.
Yeah.
Apolisi there was nothing esayidini la.
Yeah.
Into ize kayi-1 second half kwaba ne-goal. I-chance efikile. Into engishoyo uyabona ukuthi okay, umfukeng noApolisi they play the same roles. Umfukeng udlala this side, uApolisi udlala this side, the same thing. Bayangena e-center bayaphuma.
Yeah.
Okay, now you see ukuthi okay, umfukeng umndawo umakhile. And the first umfukeng akana strength, akana speed. Maye makho ngumndawo makho ngabantu abayi2 or 3. Umakho ngumndawo, umakho ngu
There's no way to
Adams.
escape.
Yeah. So now
Adam,
as a coach,
Mkhwenya, bamshayela
yeah,
ibhothi.
as a coach, you see ukuthi you're a young player, umuntu omthembile uyahluleka. You see ukuthi the other player nayo ngale iyahluleka. Why don't you try ukuthi okay, let's switch. When I come here sponsor uzwenzani, when I come
So
there
it's the same story either way.
Yeah, ngiyayibona.
Ngara uthi idiba ngara
Umdiba beka free. Kade ngenza
No, but I'm saying in terms of defense, like
Yeah.
there's no free place.
But into engishoyo,
There's no
inside
free place.
Umdiba was supposed to be our eating space.
Yeah, it was.
No, but just
Ayikho into
no,
athize-
but slow. One thing about Sundowns slow, they know how to cover spaces.
Yeah,
so if you
ngiyayibona.
guys change from Umudao side now Umudiba, the whole team is also gonna move
shift.
from
I
that
don't
side
deny it.
to
I don't deny it,
that
but
side.
do it. Because we
Yeah,
know
yeah.
they've planned
Try to
ukuthi-
exploit
yeah, we
You
know
couldn't.
who's the best right back, wing back.
obvious
Umdiba.
Umudao.
Umdao is the best. And now you have Mfukeng ne. We trust ukuthi Mfukeng was going to do something, but we knew ukuthi kumdiba it will be kumdao. It will be hard. It won't be easy.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ayenze lento. Angayenza maybe kayi-1. Even nasekuqaleni ashayisa South akangena ngeside kamdao.
Yeah.
Wangena e-center washa straight.
Nah, but I think based on Umudao, that shows
But Umdao
ngale yakora 2 goals in 2 minutes that one.
le sababamba they were slacking because
Yeah.
bebeno Suarez.
Suarez.
So now into engishoyo, it's better if we say Sliwe, a coach is everything.
But slow. I mean, I understand. I mean, what I have a problem with Pirates is now you guys you're scapegoating the coach
So
again.
now they don't want the coach anymore.
Yeah,
now.
the very same coach
that
with the
was-
very same tactics that were working for them throughout this season. One bad game, sebamjike.
Enye into from isikhathele.
Nkatheleni.
Ngalento ongawini league.
You don't have the quality to win the league.
No, we
You
do
don't
have the quality
so,
to win the inking yaziva. Inking iva.
You do not.
Ucoach. You can't use the same strategy osebenzisayo ukushaya iAmazulu.
Why not slow? When Sundowns uses the very same strategy all over, they never change.
Yeah, baspanela bona cause that's why I said there's a difference between player. Ne? So now,
so you don't have the quality to win the
league. Wait. Am I listening to you right now turning on the coach?
No.
After support, do you
no,
know?
So now, Uwadu, I'm not saying I'm a technical Uwadu, I bad. Yeah. Okay, he's playing good. Everything I want movements, even the idea you see good to Funani Umbutuma. We are wanting Umbutuma has the quality to be that striker.
Yeah.
But now, Segu second half year season, ne?
Yeah.
We want to stay on top. You can't keep on making 5 substitutes every match. We don't need that. You keep Utito, ukipa Apolisi, then ushie abantu who are supposed to be taken out. Like Unamtanjela goes take him in, Umbutuma goes take him in. But the first change you make, Apolisi, Tito.
But so right now we're just saying Apolisi. I think to be and that's
but he was doing better than Namtanjela.
But he was doing at the end of the day.
But
so
better
keeping
than
him on the
Namtanjela. You know, Kona Manyama player abadlala nge-link up.
Yeah.
You can bring on let's say Udlamini. Udlamini, they say une injury. Tina, we don't know. We told her apanga injury. Maybe
shaky business.
See, we don't know.
So
maybe
what, if he's been sidelined, what do you think about it?
I'm saying we need him.
Yeah,
we need him, so and it's a bad decision on sideline because we need him. And the Ulamini, we don't need him to start. We need him to finish the game. That's how he is. Ufaku Dlamini lapa, ufaku umba to injured. Okay, it's fine. Ufaku Dlamini mbata. Udlamini uyakwazi ukuchecka ama-blind run unamasima ngama-pass Udlamini is very good.
Yeah.
With Apolisi this side, even if bathu Apolisi akekho egamini ngiyakutshela if wafaka Udlamini there Apolisi uzongena egamini. Apolisi, the difference between Apolisi noMfukeng, Apolisi focuses more on runs. Mfukeng is a holding player ufuna ibhola enyaweni. Every time uthatha ibhola agijima
ball.
Yeah, but manje Apolisi there was no supply. The reason why Apolisi bekafile is because there was no supply. Tanjela ba busy angazi bayenzani la.
You don't have the quality between the league. Most players they are the same magnitude as Kaizer Chiefs players. The only difference between Orlando Pirates and the Chiefs right now is the coaches. But the quality of players is still the same. I'm telling you.
Quality. Look at it. We do heavy. Man,
no, let me compare the quality of players that we have, right?
It's not. I think Pirates has more quality.
I don't think so.
It's comfort zone. I'm a player. Unamtanjela, Uthe Figa, he was giving us something because he was fighting for his starting lineup. Manje, I feel like the coach Namtanjela has realized that he's a favorite for the coach. The coach likes him.
Okay,
now he's no longer fights.
But so
he's not doing enough.
Let's go back to what I'm saying, Uchi. The quality is the same.
Yeah.
Let's go back from the back. Peterson or China, same WhatsApp group. Same WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
You can have that argument, same WhatsApp group.
You can never. It's actually tied.
Oh, yeah, it's actually tied. Umunyane is way better than Van Rooyen. Van Rooyen futhi akadlala abantu manje who's the right back for Pirates?
Befaka usibelebele.
Isibelebele exactly. Umunyane is way better. Fine, we move. Centre back. Yes, CMA is better than Quinica. We can argue that.
Yeah.
But Miguel is way better than Spies.
Miguel,
Miguel is better than Spies. Mekad is also better than Spies.
Uchabatsan is better.
I honestly have never seen that guy play.
But for me now, I'll choose that guy.
No, but you're talking about proven quality here.
Yeah. I think the reason why
McCarthy also.
That's what I'm saying. McCarthy is better than Spies.
I think
you know that.
Yeah, I think the reason why coach Angafai UCM and Uchabatsan is because they are both playing centre backs. Ball playing centre backs. Yeah.
You know, I didn't think. Like you miss Mbogazi this much, like you can see a whole.
I don't think so, man.
Mbogazi
remember
two roles.
No, guys, remember, guys. There's two halves of the season. Things people don't understand that thing. Umbogazi waba access early. If you are still here, Umbogazi, the same thing was gonna happen.
Amara.
So remember,
Irani Leone was never gonna beat Umbogazi.
slow.
Never.
It is
Umbogazi was
slow.
good.
Did you see Sibiso on that goal?
But
They
lost.
lost.
if Umbogazi couldn't parate benga concede. Look at the
They
goals that
concede,
they were going to
but-
slow. Nengazi ngathi Umbogazi uyebe kanibambe kanje.
But I'm saying he left something.
The
He
time,
left the game.
no, the time when Umbogazi left, he was the best player at Pirates. Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Not that Pirates was dependent on him. He was the best player at Pirates, and he
so-
left Pirates on a high note.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Obviously, when they go down,
When they got that score, look like it was
Yeah,
him
but-
who was holding that goal.
But let's not like also just not say
Act as if we don't see.
Yeah. Let's
No,
not
I'm not
say
saying. I'm
Bogarts
not saying.
was
I'm not taking his player away, right? I'm just not. I'm just saying. He was not the person about me Pirates ganj.
but you can see the gap.
Yeah, it's there.
Because
But you can't say Pirates. The worry is conceding goals.
Me, I don't
it's
think
not- it's
It's not conceding goals.
Yeah, it's not.
That's not the problem.
Yeah,
But
So-
into Umbogazi kade ayenza. Umbogazi bekayenza three things. Beka commander the whole.
Yeah, there's no
center
leader
back.
now.
Emuva. Bekayi leader. Then center nako bekayiphethe futhi. Umbogazi, you didn't need uMakaula to drop deep to collect the ball if you had Umbogazi. uMakaula bekaphusha kancane ahlale ku center bese uMbokazi uye oletha amabhola.
That's what I'm saying. Senimgathi too much credit.
But
yabona lesi siyakhona manje.
he was able to discipline.
Next thing so Umbokazi uyagama right.
No.
Iko into la sesi yakhona.
Kata switch. It was
But ubani ungaswitch. Ubani ungaswitch.
That's the other thing.
Ubani
I'm saying
ungaswitch.
ukuthi even though uChabatsani no Siema badlala same play, but we need him because uSiema ama long ball work are limited. But uma unoChabatsani, because uma uneplayer efana noChabatsani or Umbokazi, you don't always depend to
this man was still comparing. This man.
Oh, left back. Who's left back at Paris and Chiefs? Marco.
Yeah.
Nobani.
Ndaba no Hoto. Better.
No. Hoto is better. No Tunda. Hoto.
Even Ndaba.
Marco
manje. Undaba umbeka phansi. Abafithi Undaba umnandi. Defensive. Defensive. Umarco imvula nje imbobo omkhulu.
Slow. Sesiyasense.
Yeah.
Makaula futhi ujonga labadlala currently.
Yeah.
uNdlovu noMakaula. Nemtanjela noNdlovu.
I'll give it to Ndlovu.
Uyabo? We move. Futhi ucela kanjani?
Ucela today.
Mabuyi no, ubethile. I'm just talking about let's talk about the players that were playing recently for like 5 games, yabo.
Mabuye.
Mabuyi nobani noMakaula.
I'll choose
uMabuyi.
So
remember we were talking about
taking
he's not. Yeah, because they win, they have to win.
Mabuye is everything. If you want him to put him as a first 9, he can play first 9.
Okay, for me now I'll choose Makaula because Mabuye angamka iskhathi.
But Mabuyi is boy. Outlast talk. Attacking for Ikosi. Who is it?
Chabalala.
When has been benching very closely.
Mara Leantona for me, Leantona needs protection. That boy has
protecting
been trying
for too long.
No, he has been. That boy was shining when Chiefs was nothing. Like Chiefs is struggling. That boy was the only one.
Did he really shine? Or it's just the only line?
Exactly.
But now is the time that he needs to be carried. He tried carrying them. He was too
Didn't do enough to be carried. He didn't do
Let's
enough
move.
to be
Who's
carried.
attacking midfielder for Kaizer Chiefs or the dead midfielder at Kaizer Chiefs?
Lebe idlala today lo mlu.
Hey, he said he's
It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah,
but it's one game,
but
so we can't compare.
But
So we can put Apolis versus who?
Who is it? Ngoba doesn't
Kudlala bani vele lapha? Ulilepo, Silva, Umodi or uvele by sometimes.
this
Behind Umfundo.
Umfundo ne? Usually.
Let's just put Umfundo for interest sake. Apolis Umfundo. Apolis. Let's go to strike. Silva Mbuthuni.
Obvious.
Put Silva. Umbutu.
I'm ready. I'm like, hey.
Get my chance.
So
I told the clear chance.
So still, let's go right wing for Orlando Pirates. Right, not left, right.
Muremi.
Muremi Olilepo, right wing.
Lilepo, I think I'll give it to Lilepo because he is.
Yeah.
Actually, it's close.
It's
eh?
close.
close.
Obviously, that side we don't Mfukeng. Let's not argue.
yeah,
Mfukeng,
yeah.
yes, it's Mfukeng on the other side. So if you get these players, if we're counting correctly to who's better than who,
one thing
It might be
Pirates has
50-50.
is depth. Like that.
we
that-
also have depth. That's the thing.
Bro,
wait,
give me the
opportunity to-
Chiefs
give
can't
me-
steal
wait.
you from the bench. Like you can't look at it
So,
and be like,
give me an opportunity to explain the players that we have. Angadlali. For whatever reason.
Yeah.
For whatever reason that may, I hope I'm audible. For whatever reason that may be
Yeah.
there. For whatever reason that may be there.
Yeah.
Out of the people that we've named, Mayo asimbalanga,
yeah.
Pule Modi asimbalanga.
Pula, come on.
Nami ngizomtshela ukuthi singababala.
Izwa Pule Modi
Modi is not quality.
asimbalanga.
He's not quality.
Igor Daru, he has disappeared on the face of the earth. Even forgot about Igor Daru.
Yeah, and ngabona one day.
Yeah, Igor Daru is gone.
Mara Pule Modi fanele ngamkhawuli. Yeah, Pule Modi.
Shinga, Cross, Sirinho.
Ungenile today goal is2 ingene because uyodlisile.
No, slow. I'm explaining the depth.
Yeah,
I'm
but-
explaining the depth. Sirinho.
Yeah, khehla la mele kuleke.
Hayi baba. Hayi, can't be. Sirinho. Did I count Umayo?
Yeah, you did.
Ngobo.
No, you didn't.
No, I'm counting the game. I'm
Yeah,
adding.
yeah,
Ngobo. Ucele even forgot about Ucele as well. Ucele.
Ox.
Ox.
We didn't count Ox in the
We didn't
lineup.
count Ox. You see, this is what I'm talking about. 9 players.
Nduli over Ox.
Slow. Unduli is a get we don't even know what happened to him. But you get the point.
Yeah.
I'm counting 9 players. I'm sure I'm forgetting someone, right?
Yeah.
This is depth. You can't tell me these players you are failing to change games with 9 players.
Yeah, true.
9 players.
So now I'm gonna count.
Yeah.
Oqala umshila ngazi umshila uTito.
No, but Tito has been playing slow. We're
Yeah.
talking about people that they've not been playing.
Now ngikhuluma abantu wena ubashiyile kithi.
Bashiye kanjani?
Bakhulumanga.
Kanjani?
Like
And
when
now,
you
when you
were
compare
yeah.
Tito.
No, but still ask who to ubani odlala da. Because now we're not comparing our subs. We're comparing
Yeah.
people that have been playing for the
Okay,
past 5
okay.
games.
So now we have Nzoqala it became overrated and manje sesiyamshayisa ibench. Mbule.
So what are we counting?
No, it depth.
Okay.
We have Mbule.
Yeah.
We have Mbatha.
Yeah.
We have Dlamini.
Yeah.
We have Nduli. We have Banomuni, Mahopa, injured. We have already Pano khona nje.
Yeah. Radio Man, yo. Hey, Radio Man.
And I think bekumela ngena
You
against
can't consider that guy there. Radio Man.
Against Kaizer
Yeah, it's slow. Yes, a Radio Man is like that boy Umabasu, look at the Chiefs. Do abasfostela yena manje. Yo, abasfostela.
Keeper we have Mariko. We have Timbon, we have Undaba. We have Van Rooyen because bamshaya bench.
Yes, he said
No, Van Rooyen is only
that's in
the reason why besimnida against Sundowns is because decide like very quiet. Besifuna umuntu ozoya phambili not umuntu ozohlala. We have angithi Van Rooyen. Then we have Chabatsana. We have Sesane. Sengu 11 manje.
11. Okay.
We have Usesane. Then ubani omunye. I think that's it.
To rate those players that you counted to rate. Besides the fact that you're talking about football terms, to rate any of those guys and rate them.
I mean, some I do. Like obviously, we know Mbule's quality.
Yes.
Tito's quality.
Yes.
You know, but some
Don't say you know.
We have dancing food.
Yeah.
Since Ashale go.
So this is Utansi number 1.
Yeah.
That boy, first of all, you guys don't like Utansi.
No,
even for him to play that game, you guys will complain about him.
I think we fear.
No.
Abantu
So he played. No, he played. I pushed the Pirates, but call.
Even uyakhumbula even against Mukoko. Against Mukoko, Mukoko wathi ngena bambuwa cause wangena washaya mistake. Mistake yakhe wa correct cause I goal. Le equal is 3 yabuya through yeah.
I think it's good, but it's just obviously he's still young. The stage is too big for him. They have to just play him, you know. But eventually
Okay guys, thank you for watching. thank you for subscribing. Yes, and so subscribe well. None of you saw we came from a very nice week. We had cries, we had joys, but mostly it was only cries. At least the back has Kalesonke this week. Please guys, subscribe, help us grow. We need your support so that we can bring in things as imnandi.
Guys, see you in the next episode. Obviously, we always here. Subscribe.
No. See you Saturday.
We
are
there.
Yeah. Forgot about that.
See you Saturday.
Yeah.
Swear to die.
FNBC.
If you are interested in an interview, come. We are always there.
Namaste.
Always there. Siyazi abanye they will say we're not using cameras. And cameras, they are hard to get in, guys. Again.
Exposing our secrets.
Again. Why to call in your complaint? Again, guys. Again.
Guys.
Sure, it's again.
See you on the next episode.
Yeah.